The real reason why you feel tired all the time. Are you constantly feeling like you're dragging yourself around? Well, do I have news for you today? Get ready because we're about to uncover the real reason why you're tired all the time. It's time to meet your mitochondria, the powerhouses inside your cells that produce ATP, aka the body's energy. Those little fellas play a vital role here, folks. Now, I hate to break it to you, but certain foods aren't doing your energy levels any favors. Ultra-processed foods, they're like energy vampires, draining away your source of power. I'm going to suck your mitochondria. We need to focus on foods that really amp up the energy making process. So buckle up because we got an energy dream team coming to you fast. Look out for these important nutrients: vitamin B1, B2, B3, folic acid, B12, magnesium, manganese, selenium, vitamin C, and coenzyme Q10. These guys are essential for boosting your energy. Now here's the thing, your body doesn't store ATP. No, it can either store sugar or fat as fuel. And guess what? Fat is like the ultimate super fuel. That's why going on a low carb diet like keto can make you a fat burning machine. Welcome to the keto diet, my friends. It's all about getting nutrient-dense foods in your belly. When you become fat adapted, burning fat for fuel becomes a piece of cake. Or should I say, piece of bacon? Now listen up, folks. Exercise should be your new best friend when it comes to boosting energy. Not only do you make more mitochondria, but you'll have energy to spare. So lace up those sneakers and get moving. But wait, there is more. Here are a couple tricks up our sleeves to get rid of fatigue and rev up that energy. Intermittent fasting and amazing phytonutrients. They'll give you a boost like no other. But hold your horses. We've got a few things you should avoid if you want to keep those energy levels soaring. Refined sugar and carbs, stress, yep, it's a mood killer. Heavy metals, smoking, and sorry to burst your bubble, but alcohol. So there you have it, tired buddies. The not so secret to boosting your energy is improving those mitochondria. Feed them right, exercise, and stay away from energy sucking culprits. Now go out there and rock your day. Lots of energy.